Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus IS. As the automotive landscape evolves towards 2025, the 2024 Lexus IS has been recognized as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade highlights the IS's impressive combination of refined design, cutting-edge technology, and engaging performance, making it a standout in the luxury compact segment. Elegant design and upscale interior. The 2024 Lexus IS impresses with its bold and sophisticated design. The car features a striking spindle grille, sleek LED headlights, and dynamic body lines that convey a sense of athleticism and elegance. The IS's low, wide stance and aerodynamic profile further enhance its sporty and upscale appearance. Inside, the IS offers a meticulously crafted cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. Premium materials, including high-quality leather upholstery and wood or metal accents, create a refined atmosphere. The front seats are designed for both comfort and support, with multiple adjustments and available heating and cooling functions. Although compact, the rear seats provide ample space for passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 IS is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features aimed at enhancing convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless smartphone integration. The system's intuitive interface provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, offering essential driving information in a clear and customizable format. The IS also offers an available Mark Levinson premium audio system, delivering a superior sound experience for audiophiles. Performance and handling. The IS delivers a compelling driving experience with its range of engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 241 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the IS 350 boasts a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 311 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The IS's rear-wheel drive layout, along with its well-tuned suspension, provides a balanced and engaging driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a key focus in the 2024 IS, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus IS stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a harmonious blend of elegant design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Its upscale interior, innovative features, and engaging driving dynamics make it a top choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.